Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I just want to talk about 303 Protectant and how you can use it to make your suspension parts last longer. Basically, I'm doing a little bit of work on my car here. I'm replacing a sensor in the engine. This gives me good access to my suspension parts here. So you just spray this on there, it makes the rubber last a lot longer. You just look for anything rubber that you can spray it on and make it last a lot longer. Kind of spray it back in there. On that boot in there. And then you can do the same thing from the top of the engine. Even this basic cover here, kind of the beauty cover, and your covers for your electric, your fuse box, and your air cleaner, spray those on there. On Toyota Corollas, this piece off, this plastic piece here goes bad. So any plastic parts too, you kind of spray it on there. All the hoses. Keeps them from cracking down the line. And then just kind of wipe it dry when you're done. Make them last a lot longer. But just a simple tip, guys, this 303 stuff works great, especially on the suspension parts. Those go bad pretty easy. So it's a good product to have. I'll put a link down below where you can buy it on Amazon. If you guys appreciate this kind of content, make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you all next time.